Hello everyone, welcome to a new trade recap. Today is Wednesday the 19th, but I'll be recapping. I'll be doing recap of Monday the 17th. I was trading the New York Open, New York session. So let's play it back. What else? Like the bar. So coming in at the open. So this was the 9:30 open. So for me it's 3:30. Immediately ripped through all the low resistance liquidity. I was initially, I was initially more bullish because I was thinking, all right, we are coming from buy side, or excuse me, we're coming from sell side liquidity, and as of right now, I was targeting these unfilled gaps as our drawn liquidity. It was taken, and then we had a huge range to the upside. So I was thinking, all right, rebalance this range and then go even higher because it's disrespecting all these bearish gaps. But at 9:30 open, it just immediately ripped through all of the liquidity. I was kind of hesitant to even take a long because I was considering longs at 9:30. But I don't know, I was too hesitant and I didn't take any of it. I was still leaning bullish. And after my draw was taken, I was conflicted because I didn't know where the price would go, as it was bouncing between PD arrays. I only knew for certainty it would take my drawn liquidity, which was, I think, and this 1 hour. So it was this 1 hour unfilled 1 hour. After that, it took out, and then I wasn't that strong on being bearish. I was still thinking, you know what, it's still, as we disrespected all these fair value gaps, I was still looking for longs. So I was still bullish. You could say that I was married to my bias. Then I was just thinking, all right, we should rebalance this range and then just go and catch a long from here. And this is where I messed up because I was still bullish. I think I took a long. What was it? Yeah, it was this long. So on a 2 minute, no, it was on a 1 minute. And we had an invalidation of this fair value gap. And I took this long with the stop being this low. Actually, I put my stop to see if this wick and then had this recent high as our draw. But then it just consolidated and it just crashed into my TP on my stop loss. So that was the day. Eventually it was just choppy, so I was kind of glad that I took a loss. I also mitigated my loss because I took, what was this? It was a 65-point stop loss, so my my contract size was around 3 or 2 contracts. I remember. No, sorry. My contract size was around 1 contract, so I risked about $143, and yeah, my loss was 143, as you can see right over here. Just drag this in here. Just let me. Either way, this was it. This was my trade. So yeah, a good loss, and I'm very happy with it.